Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, BERT Clustering in Python, a comprehensive tutorial with code examples. Introduction. Bidirectional encoder representations from transformers, BERT, has gained significant popularity for its ability to generate contextualized word embeddings. Clustering with BERT embeddings can be a powerful technique for grouping similar textual data. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process of BERT clustering using Python, focusing on practical implementation and code examples. Prerequisites. Step 1. Install required libraries. Ensure you have the necessary libraries installed by running the following commands in your terminal or command prompt. Step 2. Import libraries. Create a Python script or Jupyter notebook and start by importing the required libraries. Step 3. Load BERT model and Tokenizer. Load the BERT model and Tokenizer from the Transformers library. We'll use the bert-base-uncased model for this example. Step 4. Prepare data. Load or generate your textual data and tokenize it using the BERT Tokenizer. Make sure to convert the tokenized text back to a readable format. Step 5. Extract BERT embeddings. Pass the tokenized data through the BERT model to obtain contextualized word embeddings. Step 6. Reduce dimensionality with UMAP. Reduce the dimensionality of the embeddings using UMAP, Uniform Manifold Approximation and Projection. This step is crucial for effective clustering. Step 7. Cluster with HubScan. Apply HubScan, hierarchical density-based spatial clustering of applications with noise, to identify clusters in the reduced dimensional space. Step 8. Visualize the clusters. Visualize the clusters using a scatter plot. Adjust the plot based on your specific data and requirements. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we've covered the process of BERT clustering in Python, incorporating the powerful embeddings from BERT, dimensionality reduction with UMAP, and clustering with HubScan. This approach allows for effective grouping of similar textual data, providing valuable insights into the underlying patterns in your text dataset. Feel free to customize the code based on your specific use case and data. ChatGPT.